I've got to change this manifold for the inlet and exhaust, because both of these are off the original 850 engine, and this engine is I think it's just under 1100, something like that, 1068. Well, this is the manifold's got to go back on in its place. It's a bit grubby, I've got to clean that up. And with that, I'm going to put in the SU. The SU's got to be rebuilt, so I'll get a rebuild kit for that and polish it all up, make it look nice. Well, I actually prefer all this. So I'm going to just take this off for the time being, take it off, clean up the other manifold, and go from there, I think. Oh, so that's a shame, because it's quite a nice little unit, isn't it? So, take it. Well, I'm not sure how much you can see, but that's the manifold actually cleaned up. It's swinging away there at the moment. I've just been rubbing it down. All I've done, I've just got like some wire brushes and files and everything. I did really file, I don't know if you can see that or not. I filed the top of that off. I'm hoping that when the paint goes on, it's done that a bit more. I can't get any more of the paint off, so I'm going to have to go and get some high temperature paint and give it a spray. Not marvellous. Well, I'm just going to warm it up a little bit and also get rid of any dust that's on it. Well, this is the paint I'm going to use. I did try it on there, I didn't shake it up enough, it just came out like water, so I'll give it a good old shake. I'm going to give it a very light dusting, let it dry, and I'm going to put a heat gun on it and give it a heavy coat. There we go. That's better. Well, it's had a second coat. I need to do underneath now. I might mark it out so I see some mark out. So let me see that. Just going to draw around it, cut it out. Simple as that. Just copy the original one. Looks a bit big though, doesn't it? I know you've probably seen loads of people sort of fitting gaskets and things like that, but I mean, they put loads of sealer on it. Don't want to use any sealer. All you want is just a very thin smear of grease or Vaseline. That's all you need. And if you come to change it, or when you come to change it, there's actually a really good chance it just put off. And that's actually felt the grease actually helps sealing leaks anyway. So just a little bit of grease. Just like that. Then this is for the heat. Got the heat coming through. Push it on there. Just like that. Then we got a little paper gasket we made. Again, this is, oh, put it on the camera so you can see it. Just a little tiny bit of grease on it, don't go berserk. You only really need it around that centre bit. A little bit around there. That's it, I have to do it that way. Right, let's find a bit of the carb. Right, I've just fitted the carb back to the manifold. I haven't actually rebuilt it yet. It's just actually put together. I did make a new gasket for there, and obviously that new gasket for there, whatever. I've done just a little bit of polishing just to brighten this top piece up. But I'm not going to actually rebuild this yet because it's quite an expensive rebuild kit. I've got a lot of other things to spend money on. So I'll just plonk it on there for the time being. I don't know if anybody knows, but on the SU carbs, this bit here, you can see it. Obviously there's a nut there, and in there's a rubber seal. But this pipe just pulls out. I don't know if you can see it or not. Is it supposed to have an olive on there or something like that? I'm not really sure. Anyway, I'll look into that later on. If anybody's got any ideas, that'd be fantastic. So that's all done at the moment. I've got the air cleaner in the garage. I'm just giving it a coat of paint just to make it look pretty. And that'd be that bit done. I'm actually quite liking that manifold. Now, I said before I didn't really like it. I actually preferred, obviously, the other one, which is that one. But, having said that, I do quite like it now. I couldn't, like I said before, I couldn't leave the other one on there because it's only for like 850. And this is, I believe this is a 950 actually. It's probably a bit too small anyway. I'm not too fussed about that. Before the car actually runs and turns the back wheels, that's all I'm worried about at the moment. I've got to Well, that's the paint I'm using. It's actually quite a good paint, but you have to do it in light coats. It's had a first coat on there now. Very, very light. Should be dry now. Yeah, I should have touched underneath. It's a bit sticky. It actually says it's fast drying, but it isn't. It's actually slow drying, which can work out quite well. Touch underneath. Yeah, it's still sticky. Well, I've actually found that do one coat like this, leave it for about half an hour. Then I will give it like two sort of, well, the next coat will be a bit heavier and the last one will be a really wet coat. Then you just have to leave it overnight. It's not fast drying, it says it is. What does it say there? Yeah. Quick drying, it isn't. But the rest of it is durable and chip resistant. And it is actually really good paint. It definitely isn't quick drying. That's been on there over half hour ago. But he's ready for another coat. I might take it outside and just give another coat. Well, that's the second coat. Yep. And it does need one more coat. I'll give it 3 coats because I've actually missed a bit down there. I'll get that on the next coat. So I'll let that dry for an hour. It's looking quite good. Missed a bit there as well, not? A bit there. So that's the second coat. That's why I always give it 3 coats. I've just got to go outside and do this one now. Right, the manifold, the carburetor and the filter's all on now. It's quite nice and shiny, isn't it? I painted it yesterday, quite nice. Right, the manifold, it looks quite nice now, quite pleased with it. I've got to finish off this little bit, which I'm doing now. I won't bother recording it because it's quite boring just doing that. I'm not sure I'm going to get over it because I actually snapped it. Let's see. I did polish the issue, the chamber at the top, a little tiny bit, but that's done. A bit off. Be interested if I can bend this a little bit more without snapping it. We'll see. Well, thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't, please subscribe and leave some comments and tell me what you'd like to see or what you wouldn't like to see. Thanks so much. Bye now.